Hi guys, welcome back to another video from Kyle for you. So what we're working on is an Audi A5. I mentioned this door issue in another video of how to fix the windows. But anyway, what the door issue was is once we would lock the car using the key, we would not be able to open the passenger side door from the outside. We'd only be able to open it from inside by pulling this. And then when we close the door again, we would then be able to open it from the outside. But as soon as we locked, that issue would come back again. So it was a very simple fix. First of all, check your fuses and that. So we checked all the fuses. On this car, there's fuses on the passenger side, the driver side, and in the boot. We checked all the fuses. Wasn't nothing wrong with the fuses. So then we came over here, and you can see this little thing here. This is rubber, so you can just peel this off with a bit of pressure. There we are. And then there was this. So what we've done is we just twisted this. As you can see, it literally just twists with your hand. So if I put it back to the position it was in, and then once that was done, you can apply this one back again, lock your car, unlock your car, and your issue will be solved. It's simply as simple as that. If that doesn't fix it, you will want to get a diagnostics machine onto it because it will throw a code. It might not put the engine management light on, but it will throw a code, and it might actually be the motor inside. It is a common issue with the VWs and the Audis. If this is the issue, just put a comment in the comment section, and I'll try my best to help you with that one on how to fix it and change it yourself. Anyway guys, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.